Howdy there, boys and girls. Welcome to our video lesson 1-4, our lesson on angle measurements. Here we go. Hey, take a minute, okay, and just copy these definitions of words into your notes. You can stop the tape. Alright guys, you can continue to copy these notes down. Just put these into your binder. Okay, let's just review these words real quick. An angle is the union of two rays sharing a common endpoint. So this would be an angle right here that we can see right here. Okay. This angle could be called angle O. Or if we want to title an angle with 3 points, we always put the vertex in the middle. So an angle, this would be angle MON or angle NOM. Okay? Opposite rays are rays that go in an opposite direction. So ray OP is an opposite ray with ray OQ. Notice that makes a straight line when we have opposite rays. The vertex of an angle is always the point of intersection. So right here at O would be the vertex of angle MON. This point, we'll call this point L. Point L would be on the interior of angle MON, while point R, right there, R would be on the exterior, or the outside of angle MON. Okay? A degree we know is how we measure angles. There are 360 degrees in a circle. And we know now that an acute angle is a little angle. It's between 0 and 90. A right angle, of course, is a angle that measures 90, and the symbol for right angle is that. That's a right angle. An obtuse angle is an angle between 90 and 180. Obtuse means dull in English, so this is a dull angle because it's bigger than 90. And an acute angle, acute means sharp. It is a skinny angle. A straight angle is an angle of 180 degrees, so that would be a straight angle. And a reflexive angle is actually an angle that is measured the long way. So that angle right there, even though it looks like an acute angle, that would be an acute angle right there, but if I measure the angle this way, that is now a reflexive angle bigger than 180. Game. This game is called You Name That Type of Angle. I love games. Here we go. You guys try 1, 2, and 3.
Due to today's weather, there have been changes to
All right, let's pause 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. A little sports stuff going on here. We got number 1 was an acute angle, less than 90. Obtuse is the second angle because it's bigger than 90, and the third angle looks like it appears to be a right angle. Again, the symbol for right angle is right there. You guys try these right now. Go ahead. Number 1 would be acute. Very good. 2 is also acute. Let's see. 3 is obtuse. The third one, and this one, of course, is a right angle. It is 90. All right. Let's play another quick little game. This game is called Which Segments Are Congruent. We can see now we've got to look for similar tick marks. So HJ is congruent to FG, and these are segments, so we write it like that. Notice that they have the same tick marks, and congruent is the geometric word for equals, because that part of the symbol means same size, and this part of the symbol means same shape. So congruent means same shape and same size. These two segments, HJ and FG, both have the same shape and size. KL would be congruent to CV. And lastly, that's it. Which which angles are congruent. Again, we're looking for similar tick marks. So we know now that angle Y would be congruent to angle W. And we know that, and that's it. That's all that is congruent there. Alright, you guys try these 5 quick little questions and write your answers down, and I will come back to you. Okay, we're going to name angle OPR in all the other possible ways. Angle OPR is this angle right here. Okay, we can also name that as angle P. Angle RPO, and that would be going this way, right? RPO. Or we can name it as RPS, going like this. Or we can name it also SPR, going around like that. Okay? What is the vertex of angle TOS? Well, angle TOS is right there. So its vertex is point O. How many angles have a vertex of R? Well, let's see. There are 3. There is one right here, angle ORP. There is also angle ORS, and then of course there is also angle SRP. So there are actually 3 different angles right there, not even counting, for example, the reflexive angles. And we don't usually count the reflexive angles unless we tell you to. Name angle TSP in all the other possible ways. It's angle OST, angle TSO, angle PST, and angle S. And TSP is this angle right there. Okay, and how many triangles are there in the figure? There are actually 8. I can show them to you right now. Let's erase. There are the 4 little ones that are easy to see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then there are also going to be the 2 triangles right here. That one and this one. So that's 5 and 6. In addition, now we're also going to have, let me get a better color. We're going to have orange. We're going to have this triangle right here. That's 7. And this triangle right here, that's 8. And so sure enough, we have 8 triangles in that picture. Okay? You guys try this one. Give take a pause. Remember, I have a poem for you. When in doubt, draw a picture. So go ahead, stop, tape, and try this problem. Okay, you should have come up with a picture that looks somewhat like this. Okay, looking at this picture now, the order of our points are F, G, J, and H. Notice that the distance, the measure of GJ, is equal to 1.5. Likewise, the measure of JH is also 1.5. So therefore, J is the midpoint of segment GH. There we go, we're done.